promised a long time back, and somebody reminded me to show you how I did the Hubley wheels, because some people were asking about these kind of, you know, kind of fancy Hubley wheels I made, because I was missing the actual spokes and that in it, so I made these up. All it is actually is a washer and then a grommet epoxy from the other side. And I'll just show you a close-up of that quickly. Okay, so you can see exactly how I did it. Just going to show you, this is a flat washer, and you know those screw grommets you get sometimes that are countersunk, that's just it reversed, so the copper's showing. Here it is again with a different style, a larger one, and then on the back side you see the small one shoved in, and that gives you that spare wheel look, and this kind of high-tech, just a polished stainless steel washer. So there you go. So that's how I did those wheels, and you can see it here again, a little different style on this purple one. I was missing a wheel, and difficult to get them. So I decided to change the spare wheel into kind of like a hub look. And then there's another washer on top here, epoxied on. And you can see in behind the way I cut out the old wheel. You can actually put a washer in there too to cover that, so that it looks prettier. You know, this is a homemade grate. So there you go. You can make little pieces yourself. And it's really a lot of fun to make your own pieces, like I did the lights here with the clothes hanger and two caps that I found, and then stuck in these headlamps. So yeah, it's really fun. And there you go, and there's a top piece of the old toaster up in here in this one here. But you know, it's a lot of fun, and that's how I did the wheels, and that's how I got this kind of a retro look on this one. So there you go. And this one has its little music box. Isn't that lovely? Keep on fixing these Hubleys, that's all I can say. Just let them not go to the garbage or the dump.